1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Okay, factoring perfect square trinomial. So when can we say that a trinomial is a perfect square? So let's have first this one. The quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x plus y. So by using the FOIL method, so multiply the first terms, x times x, plus multiply the outer terms, x times y, plus multiply the inner terms, y times x. Next, multiply the last terms, y times y. So first term, outer term, inner terms, and the last terms. So x times x, x squared, plus x times y, xy, plus y times x, xy, plus y times y, y squared. Next, add this one. So there's one there. So add only 1 and 1. So x squared plus 1 plus 1, 2. So copy the variable xy plus y squared. So this x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is what we call the perfect square trinomial. So if we have this one, x minus y times the quantity of x minus y, so the result is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And this one also is a perfect square trinomial. So the meaning of a perfect square trinomial is so a perfect square trinomial is the product of multiplying two the same binomials, like x, the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x plus y, or the quantity of x minus y times the quantity of x minus y as the examples, okay? Or it could be the product of squaring a binomial. So this quantity here, or the terms x plus y and x plus y, can be written as the quantity of x plus y raised to 2, and the quantity of x minus y times the quantity of x minus y can be written as the quantity of x minus y raised to 2. Now let's factor perfect square trinomial. So let's have here first example. So x squared plus 8x plus 16. Since this is plus, so you can write here first plus. So we'll get the first and the second term. So the first thing to do is square root the first term, x squared, and square root of the third term, which is 16. So square root of x squared is x, and square root of 16 is 4. So right here, x, then 4. So the answer is x plus 4 square. Or you can write x plus 4, the quantity of x plus 4, times the quantity of x plus 4. So they are the same. Again, so we didn't include the negative 4 because it will change the answer here, okay? So if you write negative 4, this will become x minus 4. So just write the positive. Now, if you are given x squared minus 8x plus 16, so still a perfect square trinomial. So they have the same solution, but this time it is, since this is minus, so you can write x, the quantity of x minus 4 squared, or x minus 4 times x minus 4. So now, what's the use of this second term, or the middle term, 8x and 8x? So you will go to your answer for your a and b. So we have x and 4. So multiply the two terms, then multiplied by 2. So again, this 2 is constant, okay? So this will prove that this trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. So 4 times 2, 8 times x is 8x. So therefore, since these are equal, 8x, 8x, then therefore, these two terms or these two trinomials are perfect square. Okay, we have here another example. 25a raised to 4 minus 30a squared b cubed plus 9b raised to 6. So again, step A. Step A is square root of 25a raised to 4. And then step B, square root of 9b raised to 6. So square root of 25a raised to 4 is 5a squared. Then square root of 9b raised to 6 is 3b cubed. So square root of 9 is 3. Then b raised to 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3b cubed. So therefore, the quantity of 5a squared minus, because this is minus, 3b cubed raised to 2. Okay. Or you can write again 5a squared minus 3b cubed times 5a squared minus 3b cubed. So they are the same. Okay. Now let's check if this is a perfect square. So this is 5a squared times 3b cubed times 2. So 5 times 3, 15 times 2, 30. Then copy a squared b cubed. So therefore, since these are the same or equal, therefore this is a perfect square trinomial. For the third example, we have x squared plus 8x plus 9. So square root of x squared, then square root of 9. So square root of x squared is x, and square root of 9 is 3. You can write here x plus 3, so plus, then raised to 2. Now let's check. So x times 3 times 2. 3 times 2, 6, so times x, 6x. If you notice, these are not equal. So therefore, this is not a perfect square trinomial, and this is not the factor. Okay? Now, how can we get the factor of this one, or how can we get the factors? So you can use the quadratic formula. Okay? And this topic will be discussed on your next grade. Okay? So again, this solution is to check also that our given trinomial is a perfect square. Okay? Okay, let's try this one. 3a cubed plus 30a squared plus 75a. In this example, you cannot get the square root of 3a cubed and 75a. So analyze the given trinomial. Okay? 3, 30, and 75. So they are common, or they have the common factor, which is 3. So factor out 3 from the given trinomial. Then a cubed, a squared, and a. This a here will be the one to factor out. So 3a, because this has this smallest exponent, which is 1. Okay. Next, divide. Okay. 3a cubed divided by 3a is a squared. 30a squared divided by 3a is 10a. Plus 75a divided by 3a is 25. So now, we can have perfect square trinomial. So factor out. Square root of a squared is a. Square root of 25 is 5. So therefore, your answer is 3a plus, times the quantity of a plus 5 raised to 2. And now, it's your turn. Perfect square or not? If it is a perfect square, please comment below your answer. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, come on!